So this is our little Noelle. Oh my God.
It's an exercise.
Yeah, the sore is what kills me on the back. Come here, honey.
Well, what it kills you is when she first came in, she couldn't even stand up hardly.
Oh no, I know. A friend of, the sister of one of our volunteers, hi, you want to play? Is the one who found her.
Oh, really? Awesome.
So we know exactly where she was found, when. That's sore. Good girl, Pee-Pee. Oh my God.
Take this off you. Whoever did this, it took a while for her to get like
She's
this.
just so friendly. Of course, yeah. I just can't. The sore is
know
what kills me. Let me see the other side. Oh, babe, are you shaking? Don't worry. Hi. Hi, love. Oh my gosh. All right. Good job, Pumpkin.